What happens when an 1820s nightmare finds a mechanical ride from the apocalypse? Today, we're lasering the Headless Horseman riding Buttercup from Fallout. We're staying away from the Disney version. This is the raw, gritty legend of Sleepy Hollow reimagined. Look at the detail on those rusted skyscrapers and the cobblestone streets. The horseman represents the fear of the past, while Buttercup represents the collapse of the future. Getting the shading right on the metal joints of the horse is key for that wasteland feel. Using high-density laser passes to get those deep blacks in the windows and the wheels. It gives the coaster a weathered, scorched look that fits the Fallout universe perfectly. A 19th century ghost on a 21st century machine. Is it magic or a glitch in the simulation? Let me know your theories in the comments. Stay safe out there, Vault Dwellers.